prepare and make some good profits today. Now market left us big clues right here. Now just take a look how beautiful this is. Penny perfect at the magenta, isn't it? You see where the 5-day moving average is too, as well as this blue rhythm. Just absolutely beautiful. Very key liquidity here. You see the 20-day still trending with the 5-day moving average here, and the 5-day trending with the magenta rhythm here. Just as I talked about in yesterday's video, you have to prepare for this as we wrap up the end of the week. Now there's a link to the description for yesterday's video. You have to watch it after this one if you have not, to understand the key liquidity levels that I was talking about in that video. So please watch that a little later. But more importantly, let's take a look at some of the clues in the microstructure here. Now, right in the morning, we already identified the teal algorithm here. Now, this is 9:36 in the morning. If you can take a look here, 9:36 in the morning. And 9:36 is right here. That's as early as it can get. And interestingly, this is how we are able to see and identify the teal algorithm right here. And remember, I told you about how it needs to break out of that. And you see how the market just grab the liquidity very quickly and wait for the teal to start building liquidity here. You see the blue and the teal building liquidity, especially off the orange algorithm here, and forming that beautiful inverse head and shoulder pattern before we started retesting that 5-day moving average again. Now, absolutely to the penny right here, because I want you to see the teal algorithm building the liquidity here together with the pink. And I charted this pink algorithm as well. And just take a look how beautiful that structure is, especially off that. This will be very important because I want to talk a little bit about this later on. This is important. And so you see how it has always been teal algorithm building liquidity on the way up or to the 5-day moving average right there. Now, 2 o'clock here. Now, this is when we started seeing some tapering here. So 2 o'clock on the chart will be about right here. Once we, almost failed to see breakout. Now, you don't see any strong buying continuation. You're always seeing the orange trying to taper here. Just take a look how penny perfect the orange is together with the 5-day moving average. And more importantly, you see the magenta starting to build more liquidity. You see how the market tried to grab this liquidity here. Penny perfect, isn't it? While retesting the magenta algorithm. And more importantly, there's a starter position here grabbing the